Welcome back to Studio 10. I'm back here today with our real estate expert, Kyle Seyboth with Century 21. Welcome back in, Kyle.
Absolutely. Thank you, as always, for having me.
Yeah, so the springtime is here. I'm in yellow, the bright colors. The springtime has arrived. And is it a time right now for buyers to be making that jump and getting out there if they were holding off during the winter, or should they hold off even a little longer?
So, first of all, the springtime is definitely here for you and for me. Like,
yes.
Just out there in
Happy
general,
it's here finally.
in the world, right, itself and nature and everything. It's not here for real estate yet. And the reason being is typically what we see is a lot of folks in the winter, they kind of put their housing needs on the sidelines, whether it's to sell or buy. And what we've seen over the last few months is that inventory year to date is actually the lowest it's been in a very, very long time. So right now, I believe there's only 700 single families on the market in Rhode Island, and that number is abnormally low. It's concerning. And I think that's a function of what we actually saw in February, which was a very lackluster market. And the reason the market was so weak was because we had kids' vacation, we had school vacation, which ended up going from 1 week, it lasted 2 weeks because of the snow. So we really lost, in a shorter month, a 4-week month, we lost 2 weeks in that month. So right now, if I'm a buyer or a seller, I'm saying that spring is here. However, spring is not technically here in the real estate market. We need to see more inventory. We need to see people get off the sidelines. We need to see more sellers put their stuff on the market.
What are some things that are holding those sellers back right now?
We have so many people that say, hey, I'd love to sell my home. I love to downsize. I love to upsize, but there's nothing on the market that I like. So what happens is you have all these people that sit in limbo, and we have to kind of get some momentum so we can start to see things flow forwardly. And I think at the end of the day, that limbo is a really difficult situation and a difficult place to be. I'm hoping that the weather and the hangover from the weather is almost beside us, and we can move forward, and we'll see a really good March leading into April, May, June, July.
If someone or if a couple know that they want to purchase a home in the year of 2026, but they haven't made any steps towards that yet, what should they be doing now so that way when that inventory moves, they're ready to go?
You need to make that initial phone call. And that initial phone call is to a real estate professional like myself. Have he or she come out, look at your property, look at your situation, understand where you are in the buying process. Are you an investor? Are you a first-time homeowner? Are you a downsizer? Are you somebody moving up the totem pole? And then figure out what the best plan is for you. And I think that's where I come in and can do a really good job of pushing people in the right direction. So
you've got a bunch of advisors on your team, a bunch of agents that can sit down with folks. How can people reach you and your team?
Sure, you guys can reach out to me directly at 508-726-3492, and I am here. You can call me, you can text me. 24 hours, doesn't matter. I am here for you guys, and I appreciate all the calls every week.
All right, amazing. Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you.